Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Here in today's video we are going to talk about how to rename your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 headphones in your iPhone or iPad device. So, at first we need to go straight to settings and here into Bluetooth. Now we have tapped this info icon near our device and here we have to tap on name. Here we can modify our name, add some emotes, delete some emotes, etc. And, wait a moment, when we are done, we can tap this tick icon or done button to confirm the name. Now to bring back our name to the default one, we have to tap this X button here and the same button we clicked earlier. Now as you can see, the name is the same that was earlier. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!